love the toy show.
And what about reading? Do you read a lot?
Yeah, I love books.
Who do you read or what do you read?
I love nature books about animals and birds. And I love pop-up books like this one here.
Cool!
Tiny, remember what we said now about asking Santy for too much this year?
Yes, Daddy.
So what's left on your list now, Tiny love?
Well, I was gonna ask for an orange.
An orange?
All for yourself.
Right, this selection box isn't going to eat itself. Will you have a little chocolate mouse, Mammy?
Just very quickly, of all the things we asked you to play with and test, what was your favourite?
I loved the Mega Blaster 9000.
I'm getting that.
But I also loved the Cuddle Up Against.
I'm getting that.
But I think the remote control Dragonfly was the best.
I'm getting that too.
No, wait. Stop.
Remote control Dragonfly.
Will you two stop it? You said we should go easy with our Christmas list because Santa's had a tough old year.
Mammy, I wonder are we being a little bit greedy?
Do you know you could be right, Tiny? Sure, no one thinks of poor old Santy.
Exactly. Christmas isn't about stuff. It's about being kind to one another and sharing what we have.
Tiny, will you have an all chocolate mouse?
Happy Christmas, Tiny love.
Do you know, Tiny? I'm sure you could ask Santy for the bird book, if you'd like it.
So, what else is on your Santa list?
A big doll's house.
A box of crayons,
A new wetsuit.
a pair of flippers,
A new football.
a train set,
A wheelbarrow.
a new paintbrush.
One of them dolls that wets itself.
Happy Christmas, everyone.
Oh, and a surprise.